There are three ways you can be attacked. Ambush. There is no training in the world that I can give you to save you against an ambush. Right. An ambush, by definition, is unseen and overwhelming. Close up. The fight is on. They're going to hit you. They're going to pull the weapon, whatever. Here's where you have to do something, and that's where most training involves. And then taunt or tease. They're at a distance. They're trying to goat you. They're trying to egg you on. They're trying to bring you into their arena. They're trying to make you not notice their friend who's circling around behind you for an ambush. Right. Okay, three ways you can be attacked. Ambush, close up, taunt or tease, act. Three defenses. Awareness. The more you learn to be aware, the more you reduce the possibility of an ambush. The more you make yourself capable of dealing with it when it happens. So you get hit from behind because they're playing cold cock. You learn to cover up, you learn to fence out, you learn to turn and face, unlike most people who turtle and then get really kicked and kicked down the subway stairs or something like that. So awareness. When they're close up, cover up. Hands up. And preferably, close the gap. Ho, ho, ho. Don't stay in their punching, kicking range. If they've got a weapon, you want to know where their arms are so that if they go to pull the knife, you can feel that action, you can keep it at bay. When they're taunting or teasing, that is time for tactics. He's taunting me. Does he have friends? Do I have friends? Will my friends help me? Will my friends run? Will his friends help him? Will his friends run? Is there a wall in my way? Is there a curb in his way? Is there something I can dive behind? Tactics. Okay? Yeah. So act as in ambush, close up, taunt. Act as in awareness, cover up, tactics. And finally, act. Do something. Don't do nothing. Right. Do something.